Hi friends, today we learn about how to conduct a proper need analysis for the customers of Nissan Evalia. Friends, need analysis is a very important step for closing the deal as it helps in identifying exact requirements of the customer, making him or her aware of the vehicle features which suit his requirement, and building a relationship of trust with the customer. Customers who often walk into our dealerships are either aware of their needs, the vehicle, or they just have a basic idea of what they want. By following a simple yet powerful approach, you can easily identify their requirements, pitch the features of the vehicle, and emerge as a successful sales consultant. When conducting the need analysis, we must ensure asking close-ended and open-ended questions to the customer regarding his requirements. It helps in giving a direction to the thoughts of the customers and helps you to understand their needs better. Seeding thoughts inside the mind of the customer. It helps in making them aware of the functionality they require in a vehicle and gives them confidence on their needs. Connecting the probes. By understanding the exact need of the customer and seeding thoughts about the features they desire in a vehicle, when you make the final pitch to the customer, saying no is not an option for them.
So Priya, I have heard Nissan Evalia is also a very good vehicle.
Acha?
It has plenty of space and a very good mileage. I think we should go and check it out.
May as well, because since we've gone to so many dealerships and none of them have come anywhere close to our requirement, let's go check out Nissan, see
Right.
what it has to offer.
So you get ready, we'll move.
Yeah.
Hello ma'am, hello sir.
Hi.
Welcome to Nissan. How may I help you?
Yeah, we have come to see Nissan Evalia here. I'm Rajesh Mehta. She's my wife Supriya.
Ma'am.
Do you have the Evalia here?
Yes sir. Please come with me. Ma'am, sir, please be seated while I get one of our customer advisors who would help you with the Evalia. Vishal, I have two customers, Mr. Rajesh Mehta and his wife, waiting to see the Evalia. Can you assist them?
Sure.
Both look quite tired. I guess they've been searching around for a vehicle for quite some time. You might want to treat them with extra care.
I'll take care of that.
Sir, this is my colleague Mr. Vishal. He will show you our Nissan Evalia. Thank you.
Hello ma'am. Mehta. My name is Vishal. So I believe you're here to see our new Evalia.
We've been actually searching for a perfect vehicle for a family. And I hope today we can find some.
I'm sure that once you see our new Evalia, you won't be disappointed and all your worries would vanish. Well, did you have some tea or coffee?
We had some water. Thank you so much.
So before we proceed to the vehicle, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
How many members are there in your family?
Well, apart from me and my wife, I have 3 kids. One goes to college and the 2 go to school.
So I'm guessing they must be loving outdoors.
Oh, they love going outdoors. I mean, they love going on picnics. We do too. In fact, we met on one such picnic.
Well, that's wonderful, ma'am. I'm sure the Evalia won't disappoint you. Well, sir, would you be driving the car yourself?
Yes, primarily I'll be driving the vehicle. I really enjoy driving.
Well, that's nice. Sir, may I know what do you do?
I work at Terra Constructions as a sales manager.
Well, that's great, sir. And how do you go to your office?
I have a Swift.
Well, that's a good car, sir, but don't you think it's a little small for a family like yours?
In fact, it is, and that's the reason we're looking for a car which will give us that extra space.
Well, don't worry, ma'am. Evalia not only offers you space, but offers you the joy of space. May I ask you which places do you go for picnics and how far are they?
Well, we generally go outskirts, out of the city, in nice hilly areas, good spots. You can say roughly around 100 to 140 kilometers per trip.
And sir, I'm assuming since you're in the construction business, you must be traveling a lot within the city too?
Yeah, that's right. I drive a lot in the city limits also. And sometimes even some clients hop in, they want to see different construction sites.
Well, sir, for traveling such distances, you should have a vehicle which offers you enough space for your family and colleagues, as such journeys can be quite tiring. And may I also suggest a vehicle which gives you good mileage?
Yeah, space is a major problem issue with my family currently with the car that we're having. Mileage is of utmost importance, of course.
Also, if I may suggest, sir, since you travel to hilly areas, you need a vehicle with a powerful engine and good torque, which helps you climb uphill and also helps you overtake other vehicles.
Yeah, that's true. It'll save me a great deal of energy and time while driving.
Ma'am, your children must be into sports, right?
Oh, they love sports. In fact, wherever they go, they have to carry their cricket kits along.
Yeah, ma'am, but even a cricket kit is no less than a full luggage bag.
Yes, it's true, you know. It's very difficult fitting things in. In fact, when we're going for a 3 to 4 day trip, we actually have to hire a taxi to fit in our luggage.
I understand, ma'am, that traveling in a hired vehicle must be a little bit of an inconvenience, as all of you love traveling outdoors and sir loves driving.
Yeah, that's true, but I really don't feel confident driving my Swift to such far off places.
Sir, for driving confidence, you should have a good planted feel on the road. Also, your view of the road should be wide and clear. And I would also suggest that you need a vehicle with good ground clearance, because since you travel to the hilly areas and to the construction site for your job.
Right, Vishal. My car should have all these features in it.
Ma'am, how much luggage do you carry on such trips?
Well, when it's a 1 day trip, which is usually the case, then we're carrying the picnic basket, a bag of clothes, the mats, water dispenser, not to forget the cricket kits.
Well, loading all this in the Swift must be a difficult task, right?
Oh, it's a huge task, you know, and especially because I can't put anything in the rear. As it is, my kids are sitting there all cramped up, so it's a task, yes.
I understand. So for your luggage, you need large boot space with low floor height so that there is no extra effort made while loading. Also, wide rear seats with easy entry and exit would make it very comfortable, and cooling in the rear would keep all the passengers very happy.
Even if I keep my car AC at the highest cooling level, my kids are still uncomfortable.
I understand that, sir. It is very difficult to cool the entire cabin space with a single AC these days. Did you notice how I conducted the need analysis? As I explained earlier about the 3 steps of need analysis, I used the first 2, asking open-ended and closed-ended questions. While asking the questions about family size, distance traveled, comfort in the car, drivability, I was able to narrow down the exact needs of both Mr. and Mrs. Mehta. I ensured that I engaged both the customers while doing need analysis, as the purchase decision will be made by them collectively. It helps in creating trust between me and the customers, and I can understand clearly what exactly is the customer's requirement. Seeding thoughts while asking the questions to Mr. and Mrs. Mehta, I ensured that I am pitching about my Evalia. I never disclosed to them that all these features are present in the Evalia. Instead, I made them realize that for their requirements, they should look for such features. Getting acknowledgement from them helped me in building confidence about my product. Customers are also aware of the features they want and why they should have it. It again creates trust, as I am being a very honest advisor to the customers. Now I will show you the last step of need analysis, collecting the probes, wherein I'll give a comprehensive pitch to the customers relating their needs to the Evalia and also giving them other necessary details about the product styling and its global presence.
Ma'am, sir, let me present to you your Nissan Evalia, a vehicle perfectly suited for all your needs.
Evalia comes with a large boot space and wide cabin, which gives you the true joy of space.
Also, Evalia has got the worldwide proven powerful 85 bhp engine, which gives you a torque of 200 Nm to carry your luggage anywhere you want to.
And sir, it comes with best-in-class mileage of 19.3 kilometers per litre, so you can forget all your worries to travel any distances that you want to. Evalia also comes with a low floor height to save that extra effort you make while loading your luggage. Evalia comes with power steering to save your driving effort, and with a ground clearance of 180 millimeters, you can travel any road you want to. It also comes with a rear parking camera so that you can park your Evalia like a breeze. It also comes with a rear cooler, which provides ample cooling to keep your children happy in the rear seat.
The high seating position and tall body structure provides good leg room, shoulder room and headroom to keep your children comfortably seated without any discomfort.
The Evalia has a stylish and aerodynamic front and side styling to give you the pride of owning an elegant product. Sir, the Nissan Evalia is present in 32 countries and is the true urban class utility vehicle for all your needs.
Vishal, I'm pretty excited to hear that all our needs are going to be fulfilled by the Evalia. Can't wait to see the new vehicle. What do you say, Supriya?
Yeah, I'm excited too. Can we see it now, Vishal, please?
Sure, ma'am. I'm pretty confident the smile on your faces is only going to widen once I show you our Nissan Evalia, the joy of space. Let's go. Did you see how I connected the entire approach of close-ended, open-ended questions along with seeding thoughts in my final pitch? I was much more confident while presenting the Evalia to them as I clearly understood what exactly they required. Since I had already convinced them on the features they should look out for in a vehicle, they were also excited to know about them being present in Evalia. So friends, need analysis is an important tool to close your final deal. By following the simple 3-step approach as I have demonstrated in this video, you can pitch your product with conviction and help win customers' confidence. But it's not the end. You have to give a proper 6-step product demonstration and a fabulous test drive to finally close the deal. So gear up for your future interactions with customers and all the best. Happy selling.